everyone, I'm Darshini. I'm from BI2/1. Today I'm going to present a video regarding D-Mosfet fixed bias circuit. Okay, first of all, I would like to show you the question first. Okay, this is the question, and the question asking for determine the VGSQ, IDQ, VDS, VD, and also VS respectively. Okay, to determine these five I use multisim to do this simulation. Okay, I would like to show you the simulation first. Okay, this is a simulation. Okay, I connect the VCC with 14 voltage across the resistor 1.2 kilo ohm and also the D-Mosfet and 1 mega ohm resistor with 430 ohm resistor respectively, and the circuit were connected to ground as well. Okay, first of all we need to find out VGSQ. Okay, to measure the VGSQ, the multimeter were connected to gate terminal and also the source terminal, and I got negative 1.01 millivolt. Second, to measure the IDQ, we need to connect the multimeter across the resistor and also the drain terminal, and I got 1.776 microampere. And the multimeter, which is XMM3, shows how to measure VDS, which connected through the drain and source terminal, and the value is 13.994 volt. And also the multimeter XMM4 shows how to measure VD, which connected through drain terminal and also negative terminal connected to ground as well. And the measurement value is 13.995 volt. Last but not least is voltage supply, which is VS. The terminal were connected across the source terminal and also the ground, which the value is 1.011 millivolt. Okay, that's all for this question 1. Thank you.
Good day everyone. My name is THINESH GHAJENTHIRAN. My metric number is B082110133135. The question is, refer on the circuit in figure 2, determine the VGSG, IDG, VDS, VD and VC. This is the circuit given. For the information, I'm using multisim for find the values. This is my circuit. So let's run the circuit. So these are the values that I get from this circuit. For finding this transistor, going to place component, select all group, this is the transistor. For resistor, choose whatever resistor you want and double click, and you can put how much value you need. For multisim, for multimeter, you can choose here, and ground, source, power source, ground. Okay. For the more information, this is transistor silicons, resistor, multisim, ground, RDD, RCC. Furthermore, VGCQ is negative 6.317 voltage and current DQ is 5.286 milliampere, voltage DS 10.371 voltage, voltage D 2.061 voltage, voltage S 8.31 voltage. That's all from me. Thank you so much.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nursyazana binti Muhammad Nazri. Now I will present for question number 3. Okay. Now I will show you the question number 3 circuit. Okay. For what I need to do for this question is I need to determine VGSQ, IDQ, VDS, VD, VG and VS. Before that, this circuit is about voltage divider. Okay, before I make a simulation using multisim, I also make some calculation to compare the answer from calculation and simulation. Here, this is a calculation what I did before I make a simulation. Okay, the equation I use is ID equal to IDSS in bracket 1 minus VGS over VP power of 2. Okay, to find VG, the equation I use is R2 over R1 plus R2 times VDD. The answer I get is 1.5 volt. For VGS is VG minus ID times RS. Okay, when ID is equal to 0, VG is equal to 1.5. When VG is 0, ID is VG over RS, so the answer is 10 milliampere. For VDS is 1.5 volt. Okay, now I will show you the simulation that I did from multisim for this question number 3. I have constructed the circuit as given in multisim to get the answer. Okay, you can see here for my multimeter 1 is VGSQ. What I get is 1.473 volt, and for IDQ is multimeter number 2 5.472 millivolt, and you can see here for VDS and VD I got the same answer, which is 17.994 volt. Okay, for VG I got negative 456.226 microvolt, and then the lastly is VS. What I got is negative 1.473 volt. Okay, from the simulation and calculation, what I get is have a bit different. This maybe because some error from the calculation or and simulation. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.